Hi dear student, continue with hello alkane and hello arene. Today I am coming with elimination reaction. Very important for exam point of view. Okay, now starting with elimination reaction. Elimination name suggests to remove, to eliminate, okay, to separate out. Like this name suggests, it's elimination mean to say to remove or to eliminate or to bifurcate or to separate, like this. Okay. This elimination reaction given by the scientist, Russian scientist Alexander Zaitsev. Okay, and another name of this Zaitsev in 1875 year. Okay, in another name of this Zaitsev is Setzev, or this rule called as a Setzev rule. Okay. In this reaction, what happens? Suppose I am taking like this. For instance, I am taking hydrogen, 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 bromine, hydrogen, hydrogen here. Okay. Removal of this hydrogen from this and this from this. So formation of, in presence of alcoholic KOH, mean to say KOH in ethanol or in methanol. It mean to say it represent base in alcohol in common terminology. Okay, so it will produce like this: carbon carbon double bond, HH, HH, and here production of KBr plus KBr plus here from oxygen plus H2O. This is called elimination reaction. Okay, or here I am consider this carbon as a alpha carbon, this carbon as a beta carbon. So it's also called as a beta elimination reaction. It's my terminology. I just mentioned reaction as a RXN, not wall detail. Okay. Now next things, my dear student, I would like to explain. The name of this compound is bromoethane alkane. Bromoethane converted into ethene. Okay, bromoethane will be converted into ethene. Now this is the reaction of beta elimination. Okay, in this type of reaction, what happens? I explain each and everything with detail. Okay, like this. Here, in case of more substituted haloalkane, like okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay, 5 carbon containing chain like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we are at this position. Okay, we are at this position. Here CH3, here CH, here CH, 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 like this. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. like this. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As per the IUPAC nomenclature, we all know. Okay, nomenclature, but here 2-bromo pentane. Okay, plus potassium hydroxide in alcohol. Okay, or alcoholic potassium hydroxide. So it will produce alkene. Okay, like this. In case of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here CH. Here only CH. Here CH. Same way CH. Here formation of carbon double bond. Remember these things. Here double bond formation. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here name of this compound will be where is the duster? Sorry 5 है pent 1 in. Okay, pent 1 in as a first product. Okay, pent 1 in second. Okay, in second. Here in this case what happened, this hydrogen attack on this and removing of this. Okay, loss of HBr from 2-bromopentane and production of this. Same to same way. Okay, another molecule of this and it produce. I am taking another color so it will be more clear. In presence of same KOH in alcohol, same. Okay, or alcoholic KOH. So final product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. Here carbon, here CH3, CH2 and here CH3. Name of this compound pent 2 in. Okay, just focus over here. What will be major and what will be minor product? Okay, on the basis of this is carbon double bond and this is carbon double bond. Here number of alkyl chain. Here this part consider as a R is equal to 1. Carbon double bond attached with only one alkyl chain. Okay, and here carbon double bond attached with 1 and 2. R is equal to 2. Here 2 alkyl chain. 2 alkyl chain, here 1 alkyl chain. So what will be next? Pent 2 in, pent 1 in. So on the basis of this rule, on the basis of Setzeff rule, alkane halide, okay, I mentioned rule, in dehydrohalogenation. Okay, this reaction also called as a dehydrohalogenation. In alkane halide, in dehydrohalogenation, it will produce, okay, it will be produce alkene, but major product, okay, or major one consider as a, or major one consider as a, which have a, okay, which carbon carbon double bond attached with more number of alkyl chain. You can write your own word, but don't change the meaning of particular law. Okay, what happened? Alkane halide, okay, alkane halide like this, alkane halide. This is the example or instance of it. Alkane halide like this. This is the example. Okay. In instance, alkane halide in dehydrohalogenation through produce alkene, but two more than one. Okay. Here more than one. In this case, major product or main product will be carbon carbon double bond attached with more number of alkyl chain. It will be major product. Remember, okay, it will be major, or remaining consider as a minor. Okay. Now dear student, I am addition hyperconjugation. Just remember. Okay. This carbon carbon double bond here, alpha carbon 1 and 2 alpha hydrogen. Okay, one carbon, one alpha carbon have a 2 hydrogen, so 2 alpha hydrogen. And as compared to this here 1 2 3 4 5 alpha hydrogen. So this product on the basis of stability, this is more stable and this is less stable. Less stable, more stable. Okay. Now it's, I hope it's okay. Now elimination reaction, discovery. Elimination mean to say what is its name? Russian scientist Alexander, 1875. Okay, and this is also known as a Zaitsev rule. Okay, or this is called another name. Name of this Zaitsev rule, beta elimination. Okay, or dehydrohalogenation. Examiner will be asking you, okay, by any name, so your concept will be clear. Okay, your concept will be clear. These name represent elimination reaction. Okay, if they are twisting, okay, from right hand side, left hand side, above, below, your concept, front, back, your concept must be clear. So remember this, all these things. Okay. Now next things I would like to explain after this. Same to same way, for another instance, if in elimination reaction like this, CH3 CHCH Br CH2 CH3, 2-bromo-butane. This 2-bromo-butane, okay, produce two types of geometrical isomers. Like this CH3 CH double bond, CH and here CH3. H I mention like this. Okay. Here H I mention H like this. Okay. This is the cis form. Okay. This is the cis form. And like this CH3 C double bond CH3 H H. As comparison with the cis and trans, as we okay, so here trans here 1 2 butene here cis 2 butene. Trans 2 butene consider as a major product, and this cis consider as a minor, and this is considered as a major product. Okay, why? Because of stability of trans compound more than cis. Okay, because of this methyl group located in opposite direction. So in trans form, you aware the total dipole moment 0 in trans form. Okay, now next things I would like to explain related to this. Okay, reactivity based stability. Remember my word, reactivity based stability. This carbon attached with carbon double bond. Here are more stable. Carbon double bond. Here are, and here hydrogen. This is the, and then third position, carbon double bond. Carbon double bond. Only this hydrogen, this containing R. Then here carbon R, only one place containing R, remaining all place containing hydrogen. Okay, here stability order of alkene. Stability. Okay, here carbon double bond. Here, just focus on this. Carbon double bond attached with 1, 2, 3, 4 alkyl chain. Here 1, 2 and 3 alkyl chain. As per the Sachdev rule, 3 alkyl chain. Here, why stability more? Here attached with 4 alkyl chain. Here 1, 2 and 3 are. Here 1 and 2, and here 1 are. So stability order, number of alkyl chain increase, so stability will be increased. Also the hyperconjugation take part behind this. This is the additional information behind this. Now next things, how they are formed. Okay, how they are. Okay, just focus over here, how they are formed. Now in formation case, CH3 CH2 Br, this is the primary. CH3 CH3 Br, this is the secondary case. And now in case of CCC, CH3 Br. Okay, same condition. Alcoholic KOH with heat. Alcoholic KOH with heat. Same condition. Alcoholic KOH with heat. Okay. Formation of product CH2 double bond CH2. Okay. Removing of HBr. Here same. Removing of HBr. CH3C double bond CH2. Like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3 here CH. And here removing of HBr. CCCC. CH3CH2 double bond 1, 2, 3, 4. Here CH3. So here this product more stable in nature. Here product more stable in nature, and here this product less stable in nature. With addition of this product, difficulty for synthesis, moderate level difficulty for synthesis. Okay, but here easy to synthesize. This is the difference between them. From primary, from secondary, if this is the case of primary alkyl halide, this is the case of secondary, and this is the case of tertiary. Okay, I hope it's a clear. Okay, it's a clear crystal clear concept. Okay, now addition with this, I would like to explain one thing: comparison with substitution. So it will be more clear and convenient for comparison between SN1, SN2 or substitution, or E1, E2 elimination reaction. Okay, now in case of primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide nucleophilic substitution provide SN1 reaction. Okay. Secondary alkyl halide have a two choice. Primary alkyl halide have a produce SN2 reaction. It's a writing mistake. Okay, SN2 reaction, and either SN2 or elimination reaction. This is preferable condition. Okay, not drastic condition. I am not talking about drastic condition. With the drastic condition, we will be synthesize any molecule in chemistry. Remember, here this and this condition for simple condition. Okay, in case of tertiary alkyl halide, it will produce SN1 reaction. Okay. So here, elimination reaction and SN2 reaction, SN1. Because here, SN2 reaction. Why this SN2? Because of no stability carbocation. Okay. Here, why SN1? Most stable carbocation. Okay. In secondary alkyl halide, a bulky nucleophile produce elimination, and small nucleophile produce substitution like this. Yes, CH3CO minus, like this, CH3. Okay, and here for more clarification I like to mention this is the bulky nucleophile. Remember, this is the bulky nucleophile. So bulky nucleophile produce elimination reaction, and here OH minus, small nucleophile, produce substitution reaction. I hope it's clear. Okay, dear student, this is the conceptual things behind this, and the next things I would like to explain. Elimination reaction. Next things I would like to explain related to this. Elimination reaction require more heat or energy as compared to substitution. Okay, why? Because require more heat and energy as compared to substitution. Why? Because 2 sigma bond break in this reaction. Okay, 2 sigma bond break in this reaction. How? Just focus here. For instance, like this. Okay, Br H CH3 H. Here for elimination, breakdown of this bond and this bond and produce CH3 C double bond C H CH3 like this. Okay, alcoholic KOH like this, and here hydrogen also, additional hydrogen. Okay, for balancing valency 1 2 3 and here 1. Okay, like this, 1 bond and 2 bond, 2 sigma bond break. That's why energy or heat requirement more than the substitution reaction. Okay, in substitution reaction, addition one thing, atom or group of atom which is replaced by the atom or another group of atom, which is called as a substitution. Okay, atom or group of atom which is replaced by the another atom or group of atom which is called as a substitution. And here halogen or another halogen and hydrogen both are removed